pair of BERIBES headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone or iPad. This model number is WH202A. Okay, so first thing is these are actually on. I just saw a blink blue. Let's turn these off first, okay? So you have a multifunction button right up here, and that's the only button that we're going to use, okay? It's on the right-hand side. You have a multifunction there. You have volume up or next track, or you have volume down previous track, but we just want to use the multifunction power button / Bluetooth button, okay? So let me first turn these off. I'm going to press and hold that multifunction down for about 4 or 5 seconds. Still holding. It just said power off. Okay, now the power is off. Now let's turn it on, and hopefully it's in pairing mode, okay? So power button here, press and hold until the light turns on, about 4 or 5 seconds. Power on. Okay, just wait. Okay, now if it's in pairing mode, it would be blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, okay? Mine's just blinking blue here, and I just heard it's connected. I think it's connected to one of my Samsung phones. So, what we want to do is connect it to an iPhone or an iPad, okay? So now I have to do this for these headphones for me. Let me turn these off first. Multifunction button here, I'm gonna press and hold for 4 or 5 seconds. It just said power off. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is, I'm not just gonna turn it on, I'm gonna press and hold that power button / multifunction button until it starts blinking blue, red, indicating that it's in pairing mode, okay? So the multifunction button is right here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Power on, I'm still holding. Pairing, it just said it. Now it's blinking blue, red. Now it's in pairing mode. So let's grab your iPhone, and then from here we want to go to settings and then go to your Bluetooth. My Bluetooth is right here. Let's tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And then you see my devices here. We want to go all the way down to other devices. It's still in pairing mode. It's blinking blue, red. And I can see it right here, WH202A. Let's tap on that right there. Give it 1 second to connect. It just said connected. And let's see where it's at. It should be on top. There it is. And you can see that it says it is connected. Now, when it's connected, you can increase and decrease the volume as well, okay? You can go ahead and increase, or you can go ahead and decrease. Press and hold it, and you can see it right there. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't connect to your iPhone or iPad, or you had issues in pairing mode or couldn't get into pairing mode, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below.